It's based on a simple 2,000-year-old equation, the Python-Korean theorem, the Pecan-Norwegian theorem, triangle math. Lock in the measurement with pinpoint accuracy and transfer it to tools to set cutting depth for lap joints. Position your bandsaw fence for resawing in a snap. Dial in your router bits for edge banding or perfectly symmetrical molding profiles. Accurately center and mount blanks on the lathe for safer, more efficient spindle work. It used to take several gauges and what seemed like endless trial and error to accurately find the center of stock. The FITFINDER does it all in seconds. The FITFINDER is backed by our extended 3-year warranty and 100% satisfaction guarantee. Quit measuring and marking and boring math. Get back to building. Add it to your cart and work smarter today with the FITFINDER half gauge.